Imprint is a credit card app that promises to simplify your financial life, but does it really deliver? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Let's dive in and see if Imprint stands out in the crowded credit card space. Imprint is designed to help users manage their credit cards more effectively. At its core, it offers features like tracking spending, managing multiple cards, and even providing insights into your spending habits. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is definitely a plus for those who aren't tech savvy. One thing that stands out about Imprint is its focus on personalized financial insights. It aims to help users understand their spending patterns and make informed decisions. However, while the app's functionality is solid, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, some users may find it challenging to navigate the various features without a bit of trial and error. The intended audience seems to be anyone looking to streamline their credit card management, but especially those who appreciate data-driven insights. Overall, the experience is user-friendly, but some first-time users might need a bit of guidance to fully utilize all the features. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of Imprint. On the positive side, the app's clean design and easy navigation are definitely highlights. Users who need help managing multiple cards may find the features beneficial. The personalized insights can also be a game changer for those looking to better understand their spending. On the downside, some users have expressed frustration with the lack of transparency regarding fees and terms. Without clear information, it can feel a bit risky to fully commit. Additionally, while the app is user-friendly, it might not offer enough advanced features for seasoned credit card users who want more control. Overall, Imprint might suit casual users who want a straightforward way to manage their cards, but those seeking advanced functionalities or comprehensive financial tools may want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Imprint is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their credit card management, especially if you appreciate personalized insights. However, if you're seeking a more robust financial toolkit, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying if you're looking for ease and simplicity in managing your cards.